discuss about the topic. Let's search a Cisco Network Academy. You can see here the link. Click on the link below. You will see the page, and here we go. Let's start learning or explore the subject. You can see there are many type of courses you can do and get a certificate. Here we go for a cybersecurity. Let's see. Okay, there is a many of like this is cybersecurity, ethical hacking course. Let's click on view all and let's see. There are ethical hacking, and there are many of. You can just log in from here and just log in with the Google. You can see I'm already a learner here, Ashish. Okay, let's check. You will get many of badges after completing the course. You can paste it on your LinkedIn. Let's here the apply analysis badges here, and this is cybersecurity badges.